Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I look a hot mess right now. It's been a very busy last few weeks. I checked the mail a few days ago, got my sipsby box, and I've been meaning to make a video, so that's what today's video is going to be. I'm probably just going to turn the camera around, show you guys what's in this box. I have yet to try any, but I'm definitely trying some tomorrow for sure. But I wanted to share with you guys what I got in this box, so if you're curious and you want some teas to sip on for this month and the next few months, then you can use my coupon code. It's Mama5 to get $5 off your first sipsby box, and that means it's only going to be $10. Plus, I will be picking the winners for the giveaway that I had in my last video, so stay tuned and let's see what's in this box.
I gave you my heart.
Alright, so like always, this is the sipsby box. I always love their cute little box. I already looked through it. That's why this is a little bent. So it always comes with a cute little note in here. And then it always says, made for Kaitlyn. It says, hi Kaitlyn, we hope all is well with you. We are honored to be able to bring your personalized comforting teas right now, and hope they help you feel a sense of stillness and peace while we all continue to sip in to sip. I keep thinking now how I'm like wanting to say sit, but it's sip in place. I love it. Super cute, and it shows everything that I've got. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this right here. This is the Miracle Tea Super Caffeinated Moringa Infusion Chai, which I'm so excited about this. I really do like chai also. Don't mind my nails, guys. But it came with 4 of these, which is awesome. And we all know me. I need me some caffeine. So I am very excited to try this out. If you guys haven't seen any of my previous sipsby box and videos, I do get some. I've gotten a few chais in there before, and I've made some like chai lattes out of it, so I am very excited to use this. And the Miracle Tree brand is they're really good brand, so I do love that. Let's see what it says on here of that. It just shows you the ingredients. It says it's can't talk, sorry, super caffeinated. This morning energy infusion contains all of that. Sorry, my phone seems like it's wanting about to die. Alright, next up is the one that I'm probably the most excited about. This is the Driftwood Tea Company Long Island Strawberry Green Tea. I love this packaging. I love how hearty it is. And like I said, if you guys did not see my other videos, definitely go check them out, because what I love to do with flavored, like fruity flavored green teas like this is I like to mix it in lemonade. So super stoked about that, like so stoked. And then up next, of course, they sent me one of the cookie teas, which is by far my favorite brand to get from here. This is an almond cookie tea, and it has 4 servings. Guys, these make the most amazing like lattes, and just creamy, yummy, warm, delicious, like a dessert kind of tea. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Sipsby, you guys, spot on. Hit this box spot on. This has to be by far my absolute favorite box that I've ever gotten. So of course it comes with the reusable bags in here. Then you can also use this mesh bag, and I love it. And last but not least, what I got in here are these right here, and this is from Stash, and this is the Moroccan mint green tea, and I do think this one would be really good in lemonade as well. So if you guys have any like mint recipes for teas, let me know them down below. I need to go check my Pinterest as well to find some recipes. But yeah, this is everything that came in my box this month. Here is some information about that really caffeinated tea that we got from Miracle Tea. And yeah, this is everything I got. Such an amazing box, guys. Like I said before, definitely go check them out. Show them some love. Use my coupon code. I always have it listed down below in my description box, and you can get your first box for $10. Come on, like that is such a good deal, and you get to do your own profile, so you get to tell them like kind of what kind of teas you like and what you don't like and stuff like that. So like I said, sipsby, this is by far the best box that you have ever sent me. Thank you so much. So excited to drink these. And yeah, hope you guys are all doing well. I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.